maglalaro tayo. Ito muna yung lalaroin natin. Kung maganda ba ito. Ito yung 1. Ito yung version 1 siya. Ito yung version, yung part 1 ba yun? Mali! Ito ba yung mga laro? Five Nights. Ito pala yung ating parang nakakatakot kasi ito eh. Sorry guys, ang ingay sa labas. Kundi ito ba yun?
Message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact. So I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm going to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and fun come to life. Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and bleached and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah.
Ito naman. Ito yung mas nakakatakot. Joke lang. Hindi ko pa guys nadadownload yung Hindi ko pa nadadownload yung nadadownload na yung version 3. Kasi napara ko agad yung mode ko.
We had a spare in the back, a yellow one. Someone used it. Now none of them are acting right. Listen, just finish your shift. It's safer than trying to leave in the middle of the night. We have one.
Bawal na.
You'll be on day
Bawal na. Hello! Ano yun? Guys. Hindi ko na yung kaya. Hindi mo, bet. Ano naman? Lahat pa tayo guys ng 3, kaya 4 muna yung nakakatakot na guys to. 6 night na tayo bro. Kaya hit ko siya. Takot naman ito. Nakita ko. Ayan. What the hell? Di Ko na to kaya. Boss, nakakatakot na to, boss. Ito yung pinaka nakakatakutan ko. Nightmare. Ito, di ko pa yung mga lalaro kasi lahat tayo, ano. Games. Ready na guys. Sorry na yun.
If I get jump scared, you get jump scared.
Wala naman. Ulit guys, ulit. Hindi natin. Medyo nakakatakot ito eh. Kasi, ano yung nightmare oh? Ito yung nightmare. Hindi ko naman nasa yun. Ito, nightmare. Ito. Ano yun? Saan na yun? Saan na yung nightmare? Alam mo, mas lalo nakakatakot to eh. Ito. Go nga ulit natin. Kung nakakatakot pa yun. Skip. Di ko kasi napindot yung skip. Alam mo naman, nakakatakot talaga yun eh. Hindi ko yung kaya ano. Sige, ulitin natin. Yung ano naman eh. Choose ko naman. Ay! Huwag ka na mamaya gagawin natin. Next step. Sorry guys ah. Yung kapatid ko ang ingay talaga. Sige muna. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.